TRT Banner's scrolling tabletop display is ideal for any countertop promotional space. Open the aluminum case and empty the contents. Swing the feet outwards at the base and place on a table. Insert the 2 vertical support poles in the base. Take out the looped banner from the cardboard shipping tube. Insert the top roller into the banner. Connect the roller to both vertical poles. Gently unroll the banner. Insert the middle support bar and push the levers on both ends into the support poles. Make sure the top roller is connected on both ends. Insert the bottom roller into the banner. Plug the roller into the base and push the wire into the end holder. Place the roller in the base. Loosen the adjustable knobs on the vertical poles and lift the top roller until the banner is pulled taut. Tighten the knobs to secure. Plug the battery in underneath the base and press the red button to scroll your custom banner.